Right, here we go then. Hello once again YouTube, Andy with you with another video. Sorry about the noise in the back of my car. I've got 3 very excitable dogs in my car. And they want to go out for a walk. So we'll take them out for a walk. I have got my drone with me as well. I'm gonna try and fly my drone. Took it out for a bit of a test flight yesterday and it seemed to work quite well. So today I'm going to go to a local woods. Right, let's release the mad dogs. There you go. So it's a bit blowy out here, so if you do hear some wind noise, I do apologise for that. This is the Croft Sports Ground. Yeah, nice area this. It's kind of on the south side of the town. That's basically the town centre. That's what you're looking at right there. That's the town centre. I'm not sure how this is going to go. I've not flown my drone for the best part of maybe, I suppose maybe 2 or 3 months. I think I did fly a little bit in my back garden a few months ago, but I've not really flown it much at all, to be honest. I just haven't really had much time to fly around. Once you're kind of moving or whatever else and looking for work, then your time is pretty much limited. That looks quite interesting in around there, I think. I'll try and send my drone around that part of the woods over there. Have a bit of a nose around the trees, see what there is. This is my new phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy S8 64 gigabytes. Apparently you need a 64 gig phone to run the DJI Fly app. So I went out yesterday, second hand. I think I paid about £95 for that, which I thought was pretty good. Downloaded the DJI Fly app quite well, and it seems to run the software glitch free. Right, I'll set it up and I'll take it out for a fly and we'll see how we get on. Yep, wish me luck. Right, so we'll get filming. Then I need to take off with caution. She goes. Right, there we go. Yep, zoom works well. Right, wish me luck, guys. Not done this for a while, but just going to take my time now. I just hope I don't have any calamities, but we have a nice little fly through the woods. Need a bit of practice, I think. I'm just going to knock my ISO up a little bit, I think. It looks a bit dark down there. Not too much. Knock it down a bit. That might be okay. Right, let's proceed with caution, let's say. Right, this looks kind of an interesting place, doesn't it? Yeah, this is going to be a bit of a tricky one, I think. It's a bit up and down. There's lots of things out there to collide with. Let's just hope we don't collide with anything, obviously. Not sure there's much in the way of deer in this particular little wood. It's quite close to main roads, motorways. You might hear a rumble in the background of traffic. Yeah, it's fairly close to the town as well, to be fair. Oh, it's a bit dark down there, isn't it? Oh, gosh. Ooh, hello. Ooh, careful, careful. Easy, tiger. Right, I have to knock my ISO up a little bit more, just because it looks like it's quite dark and dingy down there, isn't it? Right, let's just hope we don't have any coming togethers, let's say, with branches and twigs and whatever else can bring my drone down. It's just nice to get out here once again, try and forget about the troubles and the issues the world has. There's plenty of those, isn't there? Things you can do absolutely nothing about it, so really what's the point in worrying about things you can't do anything about? Right. So there's a few little gaps I can just maneuver my droney through. Right, okay, let's bring it back a little bit, I think. I haven't lost it, see, have I? Still got a bit of skill there. I'm just going to go back a little bit to the side, thread it through there if I can. Just got to be careful when I go up because I can't see anything above me. That's the problem. See, these drones can go where people can't go. That's kind of what I like about it. You can go to places which are sort of kind of off limits in a way. Yeah, kind of off limits. But you wouldn't necessarily want to be walking your dog out there, would you? Perhaps your pet dinosaur or something. But definitely not your dog. Especially your chihuahua, because it'd probably get lost. Bringing it back towards myself now. You might just about see me coming into shot. If I can just thread it through there. Whoops. Okay, a bit of a challenge, bit of a challenge. You know me, guys, I don't shirk a challenge. Okay. It's really nice, isn't it? My ISO down a little bit. A bit bright. Proceed with caution. There we go. Right, that was good. Excellent. Enjoyed that. Back in one piece. There we go. No clangs, no crashes. Everything's intact. Just about. Whoop. Right. There's a bit of a gap there. I wonder if I can just thread it through that. Bit of a gap over there. It's going to knock my ISO. It's going to be a bit like this, guys, I think, because it's let's just say it's dark in places. Okay, that's up to the maximum, that is, pretty much. Right, into the woods you go, my boy. Gosh, it's a bit dark and I can't really see what's ahead of me, actually. Yes, I'm getting a lightning environment warning at the moment. Not very light. Ooh, down a bit, left a bit, down a bit, forward a bit, left a bit, right a bit, a bit, a bit, a bit. Oops, easy. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, it says lots of wood out there, lots of obstacles. This really concentrates the mind, you know. It really takes your mind off of the shit this is going around in the world at the moment. It really does. Really concentrates the mind. Yes. I don't think we're going to see much in the way of wildlife in this. It's just nice just to get out here. It's only about a mile away from where I live, thereabouts. It's just nice to be part of this, let's say. Yeah, it looks like you could be like in the Amazon somewhere, couldn't you? In fact, you're not far from the town centre. It's quite absurd. In a good way, of course. Yes, in a good way. I'll try and thread my way through here. The intrepid drone is going places where no drone has ever been before. This is a crazy idiot out there like myself, of course, who's done something similar. I don't think the world could take another me, by the way. I think I'm probably the only me in this world. I think when God made me, he certainly broke the mould. Oh gosh, look at that. That's a bit dark out there. I think I might bring it back, I think, or just try and find another route or something. Right, I'm going to bring it back. It means I've been going downhill for the past couple of minutes. Therefore, I've got to bring it uphill. The thing is, I don't know what's above me, so I've got to be really careful. I've got to really hug the floor of this wood, because if I go high, I'm going to crash straight into a tree or a branch or a twig or something. So I've got to be really on my game, let's say. Oh, hello. Ooh, gosh, wow. Right. Oh, careful, easy. Anyway, so yes, it's been a bit strange in the UK lately with all the new government we have, all the shenanigans going on and whatever else. It's been a bit troublesome, let's say, to say the least. I'm just hoping that things are not as bad as they appear they could be. That's a bit concerning, really. Right, I'm just trying to talk and fly my drone at the same time. I'm a guy, so trying to multitask is not always a very good thing. There we go. Right, I can knock your ISO down a little bit because it's a little bit too much there. Ooh, careful, easy. It's my French bull terrier there. Frankie, his name is. Anyway, so yes, it's been a bit strange in the UK lately with all the new government we have, all the shenanigans going on and whatever else. It's been a bit troublesome, let's say, to say the least. I'm just hoping that things are not as bad as they appear they could be. That's a bit concerning, really. Right, I'm just trying to talk and fly my drone at the same time. I'm a guy, so trying to multitask is not always a very good thing. Right, so I found a pathway. I'm not exactly sure where this pathway actually leads to, but we'll... I think I can hear it. Yeah, I thought I did. Oh, yeah, careful. Oh. There we go. If I just go straight forward, I should be okay. Yeah. There we go. Right, I can knock your ISO down a little bit because it's a little bit too much there. Ooh, careful, easy. It's my French bull terrier there. Frankie, his name is. Frankie. Okay. Right. I'll take you up. Make sure there's nothing up there I can hear. There we go. Gives you a bit more of an idea of my general location. It's not a massive wood, but it's just a nice little place where people come and walk their dogs. Right, I'll take you back down. Do a bit of a spin around as well. There we go. There you go. That was a nice little first flight. Enjoyed that, really good. Props are all in place, no damage, no bashes, no crashes. Bit unexciting really, but I kind of like it like that. Okay. There we go. Bring it back. Nice safe landing. No damage, no damage, no damage, no damage. So all pretty good. Happy with that. Yep. More flights to come.